So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to insert the date here on Google Docs. So if I were to go ahead and want to insert the date right here, it's pretty straightforward. Go to the top left, press on insert right here. Bunch of different options you guys can go to. But where it says smart chips right here, go ahead and hover over top of that. Go to this right side to where it says dates, go ahead and select that. Then you can insert today's date. You can also insert, another date if you want as well. So if you want to go ahead and insert today, you can press today. You can set a time if you want as well. If not, you can just go ahead and press OK, and it'll insert the date this way. If you want to go ahead and insert another date, for example, you can go ahead to insert smart chips, date, select yesterday, press OK, and basically just proceed that way. So that is how you guys can insert the date here on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.